Karnataka police officer Sara Fatima, currently serving as SP Railways, has been awarded the President's Medal for Meritorious Service on Independence Day. The Karnataka government extended its highest commendation to Fatima for her contribution to public service. Fatima was the first Muslim woman directly recruited into the Karnataka Police Service. She was later elevated to the Indian Police Service. During her career, she has served as DCP Traffic North, SP CID Bengaluru, and DCP Southeast Division Bengaluru. The award recognizes what the government described as her steadfast commitment to public service, operational integrity, and innovative administration. Fatima has also led community-focused initiatives within the police force. These include sign language training and disability sensitization workshops for urban police personnel.